Hello everyone, I am Ambuj, faculty of BCA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic what is DVMS. Now, DVMS is a management system refer to the technology solution used to optimize and manage the storage and retrieve of data from database. DVMS offer a systematic approach to manage database by an interface for user as well as workload accessing the database by application. The management responsibilities for DVMS encompass information within the database, the process applied to database such as access and modification and the database logical structure. DVMS is also facilitates additional administrative operation such as change the management, disaster recovery, compliance and performance monitoring among other. In order to facilitate the functions, DVMS has been the following key components. Now, first is a software. The DVMS is primarily a software system that can be considered as a management console or an interface to interact with and manage spread across a real world physically system that contribute the data to the backend database. The OS, networking software and the hardware infrastructure is involved is creating, accessing, managing and processing the database. Now second is data. DVMS contain operational data access to database, record and metadata as a resource to perform the necessary functionality. The data may include files with such as index file, administrative information and data dictionary used to represent data flows, ownership, structure and relationship to the other record or object. Now third is a procedure. While not a part of the DVMS software, procedure can be considered as instructions or using database management system that documented guidelines assist users in a designing, modifying and managing and processing database. Now third is a database language is the most important part of the DVMS. These are the component of the DVMS used to access, modify, store and retrieve data item from database, specific database schema, control user access and perform other associated database management operation. Type of DVMS language including data definition language, this is also called a DDL, data manipulation language DML and database access language DAL and data control language DCL. Now next is a query procedure. As a fundamental component of the DVMS, the query procedure act as an intermediator between user and the DVMS data engine in order to communicate query request. When user enter an instruction in SQL language, the command is executed from the high level language instructions to a low level language that the underlying machine can be understand and process to perform the appropriate DVMS functionality. In addition to instruction parsing and translation, the query processor also optimize query to ensure the fast processing and accurate result. Now next is a runtime database manager, a centralized management component of DBMS that handle functionality associated with runtime data, which is commonly used for context-based database access. This component check for user authorization to request the query process that approved query device and optimal strategy for query execution, support concurrency so that multiple users can simultaneously work on same database and ensure integrity of data record into the database. Now next is a database manager. Unlike the runtime database manager that handle queries and at runtime, the database manager perform DBMS functionality associated with the data within a database. Database manager allow a set of commands to perform different database operations that include creating, deleting, backup, restoring and other database maintenance tasks. The DBMS manager may also be used to update the database which patches from the vendors. Database engine. This is the core software component within a DBMS solution that performs the core function associated with data storage and retrieval. A database engine is also accessible by APIs that allow user or applications to create, read, write and delete record in a database. Now, not a last but reporting. In the report generate, extract useful information from DBMS file and display it in instruction format based on defined specifications. These information may be used for further analysis, decision making or business intelligence. So I hope you understand the topic of DBMS. Thank you very much.